السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Welcome to our new series, and we're gonna name it Networks Riddles. And this is our first episode, and we're gonna talk about the first riddle today. Let's take a good look on this topology. We have R1, R2, R3, R4, and let's see here. Referring the topology above, the link between R1 and R3 is administratively down and has no IP address. Okay, this is the link. The link here is down, administratively down, and has no IP address. Okay. The only way for R1 to get to R4's loopback to go through R2 and then R3, then R4. Okay. We have R1 to get to R4's loopback to go this way. Okay. Of course, the EIGRB is handling the routing situation in our topology. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. After 10 minutes of network performance, the route between R1, R2, R3 has to be down dynamically. Okay, let's focus on this word, dynamically, without any physical problem. Okay, let's refer back. After 10 minutes, this way should be down. Okay. 2, the link between R1 and R3 has to come up after the first route is down and operational dynamically. Okay, once this way is down, this link should come up dynamically. Means the interface will be up and has IP address dynamically. Okay, which means that R1 can reach R4's loopback via R3. Okay. 3, the network behind R1, which is 192.168.10.0/24, has to be prohibited from using the new link between R1 and R3 dynamically. Okay, we're talking about this network right here. When this link come up dynamically, dynamically means you don't have to go here and to go enter the interface level and no shutdown and both IP address. You don't have to do this. It should be dynamically. When this link is up, this network, this specific network, should be prohibited from using the new link to reach R4's loopback. Okay. No access list allowed on any physical interface on R2 or R3 or R4. Okay, no access list should be in any physical interface on R2 or R3 or R4. No static or default route or policy-based routing allowed on any router. After that, 6, after 20 minutes of network performance, the route between R1, R2, R3 should come back, and the route from R1 via R3 to reach R4's loopback should be down. Okay, should be down. And the interface should be back to the original state, which is the administratively down, and have no IP address, which is dynamically 2. Okay, says here, when after 20 minutes, this link will come back. Once this link come back, this link should be down, and the interfaces will be back to the original state, which is administratively down, and no IP addresses on it, here and here. And eventually this network can reach also the loopback, and this network too should reach the loopback right here. You're only allowed to access each router for one time, no more. Okay, that's your task, or you can name it riddle. Wait for us in the next episode. Best regards, Mu'min Abdullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.